Then Rheneas chuffed up. Chuffed away his steamboat. And Rheneas. It was Rheneas. Rheneas shouted happily, "Happy Christmas holiday!" The little engines. The engines whistled and cheered. And no engines whistled louder than Thomas.